Good morning, everybody. It's Dhaval. It is Thursday, January 16th, and I'm coming at you here from Terminal 6 at Los Angeles International Airport. Before I start vlogging here, I just want to send my heartfelt prayers and best wishes to all the people suffering from the fires and everything. It's kind of weird with everything that's going on in LA. Like, life here, it just seems like it's just going on and back to normal, but there's a lot of people out there suffering, so I just want to send my best wishes and prayers and everything. But I'm sending out this vlog right now because I'm going to be heading out to Toronto, Canada for about 4 or 5 days, and just looking forward to getting a quick little getaway and checking out a great city which I haven't been to in many years. So looking forward to trying out some of the restaurants, checking out some of the sights and sounds of Toronto, and checking out the food scene, of course. That should be kind of fun. But yeah, anyway, I hope everybody's having a great Thursday morning, and I hope everybody will like some of the pictures and stuff that I'll post, as well as some of the videos as time permits. But as you can kind of see, it's an early morning here at Terminal 6 at Tom Bradley, Terminal 6 at LAX. So I guess this is the one where, like, Alaska Airlines, Porter Airlines, which is what I'll be taking for the first time actually, here from Los Angeles to Toronto, and Air Canada, they all fly out of this terminal. So, but yeah, so I'm looking forward to seeing Toronto, checking out the skyline, checking out the CN Tower, going to Kensington Market. That should be kind of cool. It's a really cool place to get some food and check out the local scene. And actually, some of the best Indian restaurants are actually also in Toronto too, so looking forward to trying that. And got a couple friends to catch up with there too. So anyway, let's see here. This is the waiting area here, and see what's going on over here. But you can kind of see this is the gate I'll be traveling from. Gate 60. Obviously the plane hasn't come yet, they haven't started boarding, but just right there, so you can see gate 60. Flight leaves here at 7:35 a.m. to Toronto, and should be a lot of fun. But anyway, I just thought I'd do this quick little impromptu video to say good morning to everybody, and I will check in with you guys when I arrive in Toronto. By the way, I just spent $20 over at Starbucks right now just for some food, because they have like no lounges here for American Express Centurion card holders, if you can believe that. So anyway, for the Platinum card, normally I go and eat there and take advantage of the food, but nothing here, so that kind of sucks. I had to blow $20 here. Look at this line here for Starbucks too. It's kind of crazy. So anyway, everything's like super overpriced, but sometimes you have no choice. Anyway, I will be checking in with you guys once I land in Toronto, and yeah, I'll be shooting some more videos, taking some more pictures, and hope everybody's doing well this Thursday morning, and I will check in with you guys soon. Okay, Dhaval signing off here from Los Angeles International Airport, also known as LAX. Talk to you guys soon.